Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Mercedes-Benz Maybach. First, let's lay down the foundational shapes. Start with a long, low rectangle for the main body. This will be the base for your luxury vehicle. Next, define the wheelbase, which is roughly 2/3 of the car's overall length. Finally, gently sketch the roofline, aiming for that signature elegant curve. Remember, light lines are key for easy adjustments. Now, let's bring in some key features. Carefully draw 4 large, circular wheels, making sure they fit perfectly within the wheelbase you established. Next, focus on the front of the car and add that iconic Maybach grille, placing it right in the center. Then, sketch the window shapes, paying close attention to the car's luxurious proportions. These details really start to define the vehicle's character. Moving on, it's time to refine those smaller yet crucial details. Outline the headlights and taillights, aiming for that sharp, modern aesthetic. Next, gently add subtle body lines along the sides of the car. These lines help suggest the elegant contours and curves of the Maybach. Finally, start applying some basic shading, particularly underneath the car, to give your drawing a sense of weight and depth. For the final touches, let's make your Maybach truly shine. Enhance the reflections on the bodywork to give it that luxurious, glossy finish. Then, deepen the shadows to really emphasize the car's three-dimensional form and make it pop off the page. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep drawing. Also, if you're looking to keep your own ride smelling fresh, check out the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.